morning from Krakow. So it's departure day. We got all our stuff down the 3 flights of stairs without incident.
Oh my god.
And the one thing we were worried about is that we were going to have to take the key, go downstairs and open the front door
And
because
then
the
go
pizzeria
back
wasn't
up.
open yet.
Yeah.
And then go back up. So fortunately we didn't have to do that. The kids were already coming in to open up the pizzeria.
Yeah, the pizza guy comes early to do the dough and stuff.
Yeah. The door was open. We were able to put the key back in the lockbox. If you ever stay in Krakow, don't stay in the old town. Do yourself a favor. Get an Airbnb outside the old town. Because the first issue is no public transportation that travels inside the old town.
No.
And then the other problem is you have to drag your bags. You know, even if you have roller bags, try dragging a roller bag over cobblestones. It's like horrible. Like professional advice or unprofessional advice, don't stay in the old town. Pro tip. But yeah, get an apartment outside of the old town. Public transportation is awesome here. There's ticket machines at like every tram stop, every bus stop. Buy a ticket, validate your ticket on the bus or tram, and you're good to go. As of now, it's October of 2021. You need to have the only thing you need to do, you need to show your proof of vaccination to get into the country, and you need a passenger locator form. And it's all kind of spelled out for you on the Polish government website. With that, we're gonna go. We've got just under an hour before our train gets here. We have to take 2 trains today. We're taking a train from Krakow to Bohumin, I believe it's pronounced. It's in the Czech Republic. It's near Ostrava, and there we're going to switch to RegioJet, which is like a private low-cost railroad that operates inside the Czech Republic. So the tickets for that were ridiculously cheap, and I'll talk about that later when I show you the train. So we're going to head off to the platform, and we'll see you later. Oh no, I'm good. Thank you. got pancake with, it's like a crepe
Yeah.
with chocolate syrup on it.
This is good.
And I've got these kind of rolled up, this is more of a Czech food, but this is a Czech train. There's like rolled up kind of dough, and then they put butter on it, and then poppy seeds. So we are gonna see how this tastes.
Yeah. Did you mention that? I actually bought some Testaments. I think I bought some. That kind of water that.
Doughy,
Apparently not. I couldn't remember that I actually tried it.
not sweet or anything.
No,
It's the butter and the poppy seeds give it flavor. That's what it is. Not bad. I'd be curious to try it, like, you know, like a grandmother's recipe, just to say. But hey, European train food. It's better than a bag of chips on an Amtrak. Just saying. So, our train our first train is running like a half an hour behind schedule. Just
Yeah.
doing track work, like the whole length from Krakow all the way to Bohumin. So we're finally going to get there, and then we're going to pick up our connection, which is the railroad RegioJet, and hopefully we have enough time to make that. So I don't think it's going to be an issue. And finally get where we're going. Oh man. So, Alba basically found an open door on the train while they were cleaning it. Said, "Let's get on."
Yeah,
So,
but they didn't kick us out.
they didn't kick us out. They didn't really seem to care.
No.
So, this is RegioJet business class for 2 seats for a 2.5-hour train ride from Bohumin to Brno was 20 euros for the 2 of us. And you can see we're in a 6-seat compartment. These are the only 2 seats that have been purchased. So basically we got a compartment for 20 euros.
Yeah.
And then according to the app, you get free water, free coffee, free newspaper if you're so inclined.
You want to
I
read?
can't read Czech, so probably not. And hopefully this train will run on time as opposed
To the other
to
one.
the other one.
Yeah.
So next time we take a look, we should be in Brno. I think the RegioJet train was definitely, that was a good value.
Yeah, it was a good value for the money.
For the 2 seats, it was 20 euros. We had a car attendant they brought you free water, free juice, and then they take, if you want to order, there's a menu you can order off of. You pay by card right there. And I don't think we even spent, it was in Czech crowns, but I think it worked out to like less than $10. We had a sandwich, a wrap, a soda, and then you had coffee. So, yeah, if you get a chance to ride RegioJet, if you're going to be taking a train somewhere in Czech Republic or in this part of Europe, wherever it runs, it's worth it.
It runs to a few, because it runs in Austria too.
Yeah, I've seen it in Vienna and stuff. And I think they go as far as like Hungary and
yes.
I know they go to Bratislava because I remember seeing them when we were there. So yeah, well worth your money. So give them a shot.
Absolutely.
And eventually our train will actually pull into the station and we can get the hell off. So
I know.
Holy man.
Be very careful. There we go. Ooh.
Oh,
Man.
come over here. Oh, the elevator's over there anyway. No, I always take the key because I know better. Are those your slippers? Well, you beat us in. Welcome. Welcome to Brno. Yeah, hi.
So this is the hallway. Actually, this is a very nice hallway.
Yeah, wait, we didn't even look in here.
Oh. I think these are closets. Ooh, bedding. I don't think this whole hallway.
You push on them.
Oh, this is okay.
There's an ironing board and a stroller.
And this is a closet.
Coat closet there.
And this
Bathroom.
is the little entrance. This is where's the bathroom? A very spacious bathroom. Wow.
You can actually take a bath in here.
Yeah, but you need like a ladder to get into the shower.
Well, I don't.
I do. And then you have the washer and dryer.
You got your towel heater thing.
Oh, let's go into the bedroom.
Is this a bedroom?
This is the bedroom.
I know we thought twice about it because of the wallpaper, but you couldn't beat the location.
And then this is the view. And then if John zooms in, that's where we're gonna.
It's a GoPro.
That's where we're gonna go drink
We're
tomorrow.
gonna go drink there tomorrow.
The bar that doesn't exist.
We picked our apartment based on nearby liquor establishments.
And then this is the living room, dining room, and kitchenette, which is very, very nice. Wow, you got a full fridge.
Like a grown-up size fridge.
Yes. You got a microwave and an oven, dishwasher.
Nice.
Very nice. It's a very nice apartment. Yeah.
So now we're at one of our favorite dives called Lokal.
Correct.
And it's basically a beer joint. You come in. If you go back and look at our video from the last time we were in Prague, we went to Lokal. Thank you. So you get this card, and you just check off beer mugs as you drink. It's like a beer challenge.
And you get
Fill in the card.
dark and light.
There's dark beer, there's light beer. That's it. It's Pilsner Urquell. That's it. And you can pick light or dark. And if you look over there, there's 2 tanks. It's got all the beer in it. And written on each tank in the front is the date that they filled the tank and how much they put and what it is.
Know where it comes from.
And there's none of this. What do you have on tap today?
No.
So now we ordered a bunch of food. The guy probably thinks we're a couple of gavons, but it's like we're starving. We haven't really eaten a full meal all day. So we've got our beer. got that.
Yeah. Like not adequate for
So we're starting out with the, they call them Frankfurters, and the
yeah,
sausage.
these are Frankfurters, but this is the Prestige. It comes from a special, from a pig that they,
Yeah, some kind of special pig.
it's a special pig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you get horseradish and mustard with it. Freshly shaved horseradish,
Yeah.
which is delicious, by the way. I'm gonna dig in now myself. It's a little bit like stereotypical, but Alba's having the schnitzel because we know it's good here. So this is the pork schnitzel.
Yeah.
And to start out, I'm having this hockey puck of cheese with potatoes, and comes with like a horseradish cream. So I'm gonna pile into that. Who doesn't want a creamy hockey puck of cheese? You tell me. So we finished dogpiling on our food. We had a couple of beers apiece. Now we're ready to just go back and do all the laundry and settle down for the rest of the evening.
It's a long day.
It was a very long day. And riding the train just makes it
Yeah, I'm more tired.
yeah. So we'll go back, get our laundry done, get our act together for tomorrow. We'll see you guys in the morning, all right? Take
Have a
care.
good night.